Hey Eric, hey Samantha. This is the Gateway Commons located at 6154 North Ceylon Street. This is building 7, Denver, Colorado 80249. This particular unit is a 3-bed, 2-bath, um, and it has 1,264 square feet. So when we first walk in, over to the left is a bathroom, and then straight this way is going to be the first bedroom. This has a split floor plan, so all of the bedrooms are going to be on one side, and then there's one bathroom, and it's like separated by living room space. So this space right here is going to all turn into green space, and then back here there's going to be another building which won't be finished until 2025, but you will have this unobstructed view over those garage spaces there. So here is the bedroom. It's a pretty decent size. You could probably get a queen or a full size in here pretty comfortably. This does not have a light fixture, so those light switches that are upside down, those outlets that are upside down are going to be controlled by the wall switch, so you'll have to put like a lamp or something here, but this closet is a pretty decent size too. This is luxury vinyl plank flooring, and then over here to the right there's a utility closet. So this is going to have a tankless water heater, which means that the water will stay hot for a really long time. And then the furnace, and then this is going to be your laundry room too. So it's only enough space in here for a stackable, and then you'll have like your breaker box in here too. But that's going to be all of like the mechanics for this unit. And then over this way, we're going to have one of those bathrooms, and it has the oil rub bronze finishes, the granite countertops here, this really pretty tile. The tile is going to go all the way almost to the ceiling here. So this is a nice size bathroom. Of course, the tub here. And then coming back out, this is going to be your open living area. There's a little hall closet here. Actually, let me show you how tall this ceiling goes all the way up. So you can put some shelving up here too to add some extra storage in here. Thought that was really nice. And then I really like this view here. So this is going to be this open concept with the kitchen area, and then obviously like the living room space here, and then those bedrooms are going to be on the opposite side, but there's a lot of light that comes through here. So the rep pointed out that this is going to have a lot of upgraded options, so it's not like just a standard unit. So a couple of the things that are going to be upgrades are the stacked washer and dryer. A lot of the units don't have them. The side-by-side refrigerator, it's going to be the four appliance package, so it's going to have that gas range, the refrigerator, and the dishwasher, and that built-in microwave as well. There's also a connectivity package, so it's going to have a dual port for one RG6 and then one Cat6 in all the bedrooms, so that you can install like a flat screen on the walls and then feed the wires through. It's also going to have that smart thermostat system. It's also going to have these island pendants as well. And then the standard interior color is just like this paint, but that side-by-side refrigerator here is what I'm showing. The maple cabinets. Again, here's this deep sink with the oil rub bronze finishes. This kitchen is really nice and open. There's that gas range that I was talking about there. Can't remember if I said now, but this unit is priced at $397,000. I did speak with the lender as well, and she said that with that rate buy down at 5.5, that she would be able to get the mortgage payments to about $3,000. So just talking about some of the area. So there is a couple of hospitals in the area. There's the University of Colorado Hospital, Green Valley Ranch Medical Center, and Children's Hospital Anschutz is located over in Aurora. This is the Denver area. For recreation, there is going to be the Green Valley Ranch Golf Club, Dick's Sporting Goods Park, Bar Lake State Park, Bluff Lake Nature Center, and the zoo. And then for dining, there's the Moonlight Diner that's down on Tower. There's also Los Robles. There's an Italian restaurant called DeSicchio's down on Tower as well. There's Burger M, Mod Pizza, and if you like pho, I know a really great restaurant called Pho 92. I like that. They have the best boba. And then for grocery stores, there's going to be Sprouts. There's a Sprouts Farmers Market, King Super, and Natural Grocers. The schools in this area, for the elementary school, it's going to be DPS Tower Elementary. The middle school is going to be DPS Far Northeast Middle School. And then the high school is going to be DPS Far Northeast High School. And then there's some other shopping that's like nearby as well, like the Stanley Marketplace, Town Center Aurora Mall, the shops at Northfield, So this unit is going to have a garage kind of underneath. So I was just showing you how it looks for that. And then you have, it's right underneath this building. And then this little space right here is like your extra individual parking spot. So you'll have one car garage and then that one extra parking space that's right in front of the garage as well. So overall, I think it's a really good use of space. I'm just coming back out to show you, again, this open floor plan. It's a lot of natural light that's coming through here. So I think this is a good option. So just perspective, this is what I was saying, just directly underneath that window is going to be this garage space. So this is going to be 30 feet of garage. So that extra back space can be used for storage, but that's going to be all of your space. And then again, just swinging around here is going to be your individual parking space. This is just the exact same floor plan, but it's flipped. So if you remember on the model that I showed you with the empty unit, it was left, there was a bathroom, and then to the right, there was a bedroom. So this is going to be the same floor plan, but it's just flipped the other way. There's a couple of different things that are different as well, like the refrigerator isn't in the same place. A couple of little subtle differences, but I just wanted to show you the model so that you can see how it looks with furniture, and it'll kind of give you a better perspective of what you could do. I know that having an office space was important to you. So one of the things that I noticed here is that you are not going to get that here. Every room has its own purpose, like the bedrooms. There's not a lot of extra space to put a desk. So I'd love to know your thoughts on what you think about this floor plan. But as far as the finishes and the floor plan and the price point, I do think it's a good selection. So yeah, just let me know your thoughts.